English toad in the hole with onion gravy. Ingredients. For the sausages: 12 pork or beef sausages. 1 tablespoon sunflower oil. For the batter: 140 grams, 1 cup, flour. 4 medium eggs, approximately 1 cup of beaten egg. 240 milliliters, 1 cup, milk. Salt and pepper to taste. For the onion gravy: 2 medium onions thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon flour. 2 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 2 cups beef stock. If you don't have beef stock, you can use a stock cube. Instructions. For the batter: sieve the flour into a mixing bowl. Season with salt and pepper. Mix the eggs with the milk and then whisk into the flour until there are no lumps. It should be the consistency of double cream. Cover and allow to rest in the fridge for at least half an hour. For the sausages: arrange the sausages with the sunflower oil in a roasting dish and place in a hot oven, 225 C, 425 F, and allow to brown. Note, they don't have to be cooked all the way through, they will finish cooking with the batter. This step should only take between 5 and 8 minutes. When the sausages are brown, remove from the oven and pour the batter over the hot sausages. Replace the pan in the oven and continue baking for approximately 30 minutes until the batter is well risen and golden. For the onion gravy: fry the onions gently in the olive oil until they start to break down and become sticky. Mix the flour into the beef stock and then pour over the onions. Add the Worcestershire sauce and allow to simmer, stirring continually, until thickened. Serve poured over a healthy portion of toad in the hole.